Let's come to the connection. So basically we have taken 12 volts and we are powering up the relay model. We have shorted all the NO wires and all the NC wires, and we have taken the DC motors terminal and we have connected to the common of the relay, and we have connected NO to the ground and NC to the positive of the battery. So the 12 volts is going to the relay model, then coming to the receiver model of RF. Then we have used a regulator of 5 volts and we are powering up this module, and we are taking the same 12 volts to the Arduino Uno, and we are powering up the metal detection module using Arduino, which is 5 volts, and this buzzer is being powered up by 3 volts of Arduino Uno. And we are using a 9 volts battery to the transmitter module. Here also we are using a 5 volts regulator. So this 9 volts is being regulated and the 5 volts is coming to this module.